Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good Friday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here transmitting our last day in Cannes, our last day for MIPIM. As you can see there, it's Friday, so a lot of things are getting cleaned up, but still the fair is going on till 12 or 2 later today. We're here in kind of in the yacht section where you've got DWS. They're already cleaning up some of the other boats and cleaning up from the events, but a lot of great events last night. There's which probably many of you were at, was at the great party at the Majestic hosted by Panettone. It's always kind of a I'd say highlight of MIPIM these days since they've been doing them the last few years. So great event, and congratulations to them again for hosting such a nice event. Big turnout for MIPIM this year. 23,000 signed up. You know, a bit of news about the banking industry and interest rates, of course. And I think in all in one week, another bank kind of went bankrupt, or at least had some problems, and interest rates, of course, went up all in the same week. So during MIPIM, there's been quite a few bits of information and news coming out that people are talking about, but in general, it's I'd say quite positive. Maybe some of it's because of the sun, but quite positive. MIPIM for most people. A lot of the cash buyers are very happy because they're back in. Cash is king again, or seems to be. Less in some more issues, more issues on the financing and refinancing when talking to people here and talking to some of the owners. But of course, this gives opportunities for new investors to come in and take over the project. Um, a lot going on. We got our SCE awards taking place in Romania in 3 weeks, which is April 6th, covering Southeastern Europe. So if you haven't gotten a table yet, or sponsorship, or have signed up for it, now's the time to do it. We've got a record number of listed companies on the or nominations on the list. A lot of sponsors coming, a lot of international investors coming to see what's available for that. Also in May, straight into May, we've got May 11th, which is our CEO Awards nomination launch party. Great event at the in Belgrade at the Hilton. And also, straight after that is our Marketplace-CEE, SCE for retail in Prague. A lot of new brands, a lot of new retailers coming to the region looking for opportunities to set up operations here. Some tech, a lot of retail tech, a lot of leisure opportunities as well. Leisure provider operators coming. So definitely, if you've got some retail space available for some opportunities for these guys, come and get a meeting point. We set up the meetings right with the retailers. Um, Straight after that, our Baltic Awards in Sopot, Poland, which is on the Baltic Sea coast, and in between, it's in what they call the Tri-City area up there between Gdansk and Gdynia. We've got a lot of people coming from Scandinavia, the Nordics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, doing a little bit on the ports, a lot on logistics. Of course, the office, retail, also big opportunities, investment. So a lot going on before summer. So we hope to see you at that. And we will take a little break right now, and we'll come right back with Winston Norman in our Warsaw office to let you know what the highlights of the news are for the week. And enjoy the rest of the week. Stay safe for the weekend. And we will see you Monday morning with the news. And next week, we'll also be broadcasting from Serbia. So a couple big Serbian conference, a lot happening there, a lot of meetings. So we'll talk a little bit about some of the investments down there as well. So enjoy the rest of the day. Have a safe weekend, and we will see you Monday morning.
Good Friday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name's Winston Norman, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And today we'll start in Poland with Master Management Group. And they announced that they entered 2023 with leasing levels at almost 99% for their entire retail portfolio in Poland. The centres were visited by around 12 million customers in 2022. And according to Paul Kuzmish, he's the CEO of Master Management Group. Last year, we focused our attention on strengthening the quality of the portfolio of brands present in the facilities managed by the Master Management Group. Consistent work on the development of the offer resulted in a steadily growing number of customers and increasing turnover. And Anna Polak, head of leasing, she continued. Large network brands trust us in business terms, which is clearly shown by the experience of the past year with contracts with Douglas, Ochnik, Half Price, the LPP Group, and KFC. Staying in Poland and moving to the logistics business, and Panattoni is extending Panattoni Park Wrocław Logistics South Hub in Lower Silesia. This is in response to the huge interest of the location. The first stage, comprising of 120,000 square meters, was fully leased, and so now Panattoni is to launch the next stage, which is 90,000 square meters, and it's set to come online in October this year. And according to Damian Kowalczyk, he's the development director at Panattoni, our development in Magnit has all the benefits offered by Lower Silesia, an area with the potential to serve most European countries. Moving on, but staying in the logistics industry and the Silesian region in Poland, and Titanex Engine Cooling, a supplier of cooling systems for the manufacturing of motor vehicles industry, is ramping up its production and distribution capacity at CT Park Opola in Silesia. And it's leasing an additional 27,000 square meters. The new capacity will help meet strong demand from customers in its key German, Polish, and Czech markets. And according to Bogi Gabrovich, he's the CFO of CTP Poland, the ongoing expansion of CTP's Polish portfolio reflects the sustained demand for high quality industrial logistics space within the region. Titanex is a prime example of our business partners taking full advantage of CTP's expansion opportunities. And finally, for today, we move to Romania, and the Romanian developer One United Properties has obtained a loan of 20 million euros from Banca Transylvania for the completion of the One Cotroceni Park residential development in Bucharest. The project will be completed this year, and over 90% of the apartments are already pre-contracted. The 868 apartments will be integrated in the mixed-use scheme of One Cotroceni Park that also includes office and commercial components. The residential units at One Cotroceni Park have already received the Green Homes pre-certification from the Romania Green Building Council. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please join me again on Monday. In the meantime, have a great weekend.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.